G'day, this is Reginald Hedder, and I would like to give you a brief explanation of the TBC Code Platinum and also the TBC Code and obviously also TBC, the Billion Coin. Just a little bit about that. The Billion Coin is the cryptocurrency part, and to exchange your TBC, your Billion Coin, for currency, you need to do it through exchange, and TBC Code is an exchange. We make use of them, but we've added on a few extra things and created the platinum part of it. Now, if you join the TBC Code, you need to join with TBC first. You have to have a wallet. You need to have some coins in it, and if you don't have coins in it yet, or very little coins in it where you cannot do this, you can partner with somebody that's a trusted seller or your sponsor that has got coins, and then you can do business like that. You need to split the funds 50-50. We'll get to that a little bit later on. Okay, once you join TBC, you buy TBC to the value of $100, or in South Africa, 1,500 Rand. And then you need to pay your wallet fee, $10 wallet fee, and you also have to pay a $25 platform fee to TBC Code. That is for the system in TBC Code that will manage all your transactions. Right, once you've joined TBC and you've opened your wallet, you've got your free gift, then you need to join in Platinum with altcoin trader, or if you don't have altcoin trader in your country, then you need to go and find yourself a Bitcoin or a cryptocurrency exchange and join them. Do your FICA with them, and also you need to join Carrot Bars. That's some added benefits in it where you can really benefit by making a lot of money. You can also join with Trio. They are in South Africa, Namibia, and Mauritius. And what they do is they give you some expertise on with the tax, and also with the if you've got some legal advice. We belong to a Wealth Master Club, and that's part of the Wealth Master Club that we have to check our assets. Right. How does it work? You have got a matrix here, and this will be your sponsor on top, and the sponsor will have 5 people underneath him, and each of these levels make use of the same people here. The same 6 people will move down to level 1, 2, 3, 4, down to level 12. And you will cycle in every level. You don't have to add on people here or have new people in level 2. You use the same people as in the top, and they will cycle through. Now what happens is you pay your 1,500 Rand to your sponsor, and that sponsor will then transfer the value of 1,500 Rand of TBC into your wallet. And you will do the same. Your people underneath you will each pay 1,500 Rand, and that will give you 7,500 Rand. You take out 1,500 Rand, and you put it back into the little hole that it made over there, so that you can have it back into your wallet. You take the rest of that money out, the 6,000 Rand, and you put it into level 1. And your people underneath you are doing exactly the same. In the original TBC Code, they recommend that you do $200, which is 3,000 Rand. But we want to speed it up a little bit to accomplish our goals over here. Right. Now you've got 6,000 rand times 5 people, that gives you 30,000 rand. You take out 7,500 rand and you put it into level 3. You also take out 600 rand over there to fill up those little holes over there that it made, so that you don't have any losses if something goes wrong. If you in this level, level 3, you take out 9,000 rand and you put it into level 4. And you're going through the same cycle again. You pay your sponsor 9,000 rand. Your people underneath you pay you each 9,000 rand. And that gives you 45,000 rand. You take out your 10,500 rand for level 5. You also take out 3,500 rand from that level. And that goes for the Carrot Bar card. Carrot Bar has got a debit card. I can show you this. That all your funds that you create in Carrot Bars go onto your debit card. If you want to sell gold, you've got some spare gold and you want to sell for an emergency, then they will put the funds onto this card. Also your commissions and your points that you earn that turned into the currency that you want, prefer, and then that goes onto your card. You can swipe it at the ATM. You can also swipe it at the shop filling station, and you can use it as a normal debit card. And also, you take out some money to join TRIOC, because on the top here, you join for free, but here you upgrade to the platinum level, and you also start earning commission if somebody else comes into the platinum group, and if they do a transaction, like for instance, establish a trust, you will get a part of that funds that they pay there. Now on level 5, you've got your 10,500 times 5, that gets 5 to 500, and you take out 12,000 and you put it into level 6. But here you take out 36,000 rand and you purchase a VIP package from Carrot Bars. Carrot Bars has got 4 different packages. A bronze that gives you 5% commissions. You get a silver package that gives you 10% commissions. You have a gold card package that will give you 15%. If you buy a VIP package, that gives you 20%. So you've paid the 36,000 rand for the package, and you get 20%. 20 times 5 gives you 100%, and you will get your money back into your debit card again. And that you can start using. Also on this Carrot Bars, you will earn points on each person that buy a VIP package. You will earn 100 points. If you've got 25 on the one side and 50 on the other side on your dual system, then you will cycle. And every cycle you will earn $80. And that $80, every cycle, they will pay weekly out for you. Once you cycle, you don't lose any points. You will keep them there. And as new points are coming in, you will cycle again. So you don't lose points that you don't use. That's on the Carrot Bars. So you will build up a substantial amount of money there, because the network will build and you will earn commission from all the people in infinity underneath you, so that you can cycle more frequently. On the level 7, you will have 13,500 rand that comes from there, all in your profit. So you put back your capital in there, and you use only your profit to proceed with this. You will have 13,500, 67,000 minus 15,000 for level 8, and you will deduct. Sorry, I missed this one. Level 6, you will have 12,000 rand times 5, 60,000 minus 13,000, And here you deduct 25,000 or whatever you want to do with you want to draw. Carrot Bars has started a Carrot Gold coin, also a cryptocurrency, but that one is backed by gold. Very exciting project, very, very, very exciting. Yesterday, the 4th of July, they opened the first cryptocurrency bank in Miami that will also back this cryptocurrency. And it's very new, so it's now the right time to jump in and buy as much as you can for the future when it grows higher. Right, on level 7, you will have 13,500, times 5, 67,000, minus your 15,000, and here, and in every level further down, you will take out 4,000 Rand in every level, and you will buy 5 grams of gold, and that will look similar to this. This is a 1 gram of gold. That's what Carrot Bars does. They sell gold in small format, so that you can that everybody can own gold. But here we buy 5 grams, so you can build up points. The people underneath you do the same. They build up points, and that you benefit from their points as well. So that's very exciting. So you build up in Carrot Bars, you build up a savings plan. You build up your pension fund or whatever you want to save up to do, you do that in your Carrot Bars. You can also spend it if you want to go on a nice holiday, because you can use that card wherever you go. Right, on the right-hand side, I haven't touched anything there. That is your profit. On your first level, you've taken everything out, so there's 0. On your second level, you have made 21,900 profit after you've deducted all the things. Now, what we recommend is that you take some of this money. If you take 10% of that money, and then you can sponsor somebody there that maybe that struggled to get the money together, so that they can also get in. People that would have been left behind. The main purpose of TBC is to bring in everybody so that we can build up the network and also help other people. I quickly want to go back to this one here, where we take out the 6,000 Rand, and we bring it into to here. And you can start the TBC Code Platinum B, where you invest in your first level 6,000 Rand, or you're buying coins of 6,000, and you grow it like that. 1.5 times that, 1.5 times that, and it grows. You can buy some more coins. You can do other things, investment things. We've also got Lifestyle Galaxy, and that will give you a neat almost 6.2 million Rand. That's the one option, and then the other one that we've got is for the people that don't have coins in. So what you do is you partner with somebody, and with your sponsor, and you pay them the money and the 50% of it, and they will transfer the $100 worth of coins into your person's wallet, and you will be able to commit. You're getting a little bit less out because you don't have a lot of coins. You have to partner, but you can also grow something, and you can go in a second time. With this project, you can go in as many times as you want to. We don't recommend you going wide, because we want to keep it so that a lot of people can come in and benefit from it. But you can come in again further down. You can come in your third level. Once you've done that amount, you can go in again and put some money in again and let it go. We've done 2 here, 1,500, 6,000, or $100 and $400.